Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Right, so today we are going to speak about Chia. So it's been a while since I posted something on crypto. I've been doing another project in Lisbon and I've got my own company with computer repairs. But today we're just going to be talking about Spacepool and Chia. So breaking news as of today. For everyone, sadly, we have woken up to the news that Spacepool team has decided to cease pool operations from November 15th, 2024. So this is really sad for everyone, as I've been with this pool since the beginning of when pool was introduced to Chia Network, and I've been with Chia Network since the beginning as well. So the statement from Chia reads that we love this community and very much enjoyed providing and maintaining the pooling service over the last 3 years. However, the simple reality is that the economics haven't worked in our favor for most of this year. In fact, we were paying out of pocket these last few months to keep the lights on whilst looking for alternative funding sources without avail. The timeline for shutdown are as follows. Before November 15th, 2024, the pool will continue to operate exactly as it is without any change, but we need to change to self-pooling or to another pool before November 15th. Until then, it's still working. So bearing in mind that today is the 25th of October, so it's not that far away. I will be creating a video on how to change pools because I am actually going to be changing pools myself today without further delay. So I will be posting another video on how to do that for those who want to see how you can switch pools, or you can do self-pooling if you wish to. So on November 15th, what is going to happen? The pool will stop claiming and distributing pooling rewards after this date. And any blocks farmers win after this date can be claimed via self-pooling if their plot NFT was still assigned Spacepool. So, going further down here on these announcements, on November 30th, all farmers who meet the following criteria will be gradually paid out by this date. So if you had farming activity within the last 180 days, if you had at least one payout historically, no minimum balance needed, and any remaining balance will be paid out. Poolspace and XCH.space websites and mobile apps will be decommissioned as well in December. So there is no specific date here yet, but from December they will be decommissioned. So yeah, this is really sad. Spacepool is one of the projects that it's going to be shut down, but the Chia XCH ecosystem itself still continues to be available for those who wish to continue farming, although the price is not the best, or it's not what we wished for. Probably for those who are starting today in investing in Chia, it will be okay. So if we look at the price today is $13.74. We are expecting this to be, or this number to be higher with time. So hopefully within the next 5 years we will see some growth, but it's a matter of patience, right? So we need to be patient and wait. I take this as a hobby. It is an investment up to some point, but honestly, this is not my main source of income, so I've got other sources of income, but I understand that a lot of people have put a lot of time, effort, financial investment into this. So yeah, let's keep up and keep on farming, keep on investing, and hopefully it will pay out one day. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next one. Cheers.